What's up guys, I'm Tom with 800.com and today I'm going to walk you through setting up call tracking for your WordPress site. Normally you'd have to paste the DNI script somewhere into your site's HTML, which includes a lot of digging around. Our WordPress plugin does all the technical stuff for you. All you have to do is install it, get your API key, and then set up call tracking. So first thing that you want to do is go into your plugins, search for 800.com, and install it. Once it's installed, you'll want to activate it, and then you'll see it's installed and activated on your WordPress site. Next, you'll find in the settings is 800.com. Let me move myself out. In the settings, you'll find 800.com call tracking. From here, you want to jump back into your account on 800.com. Go to settings, go to integrations, scroll down to where you see automation and integration platforms. Select API key and create a new API key with the add integration button. You can name it WordPress site. And then you'll just want to copy this code here, this little line here. And you can close that. Paste it in where the 800.com API key field is. Select your company, and then hit Save Settings. And now that's all set up for you on your WordPress site. It's not working yet. What we'll need to do next is go into call tracking. Now that we're in call tracking, we can create a new tracking pool. I'm going to keep this pretty simple for the video, so I'm just going to track on my website and through a single campaign. You can select the type of campaigns that you want in here. I'm just going to select UTM parameter. That way I have a link that can automatically swap as I want it. Put in your phone number that's on your website that you'd like to get swapped, and then also the website where you're swapping the number. Select a number that you want to swap your existing number out with. I'll select a local number, and then you can select how you want this number to be routed. You can pick a single phone number or a workflow, and then save and activate. Now if I come back to the site, you can see this is the original number for my site. But if I were to go through the source code, and you can see that the number right here has been swapped for the call tracking pool for this UTM parameter here. And that's pretty much it. Now you have the ability to go in and create other call tracking pools for different ad networks or call sources or traffic sources for your website.